In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Twitch gift card. Let's begin by ensuring you have your Twitch gift card code on hand. This is the unique code you'll need to add funds to your Twitch wallet. Think of it as the key to unlocking the potential of your gift card. Without this code, we won't be able to proceed, so make sure you have it ready and easily accessible. Now that you have your gift card code, it's time to open your web browser. Any browser will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. This step is crucial because, unfortunately, the Twitch mobile app doesn't support gift card redemptions. Using a web browser ensures a smooth and successful process. Next, go to the Twitch Redeem page. You can find it by typing in the search bar, or you can navigate directly if you have the URL saved. This page is specifically designed for entering gift card codes. It's your one-stop destination for adding funds to your Twitch account. Once you're there, you're on the right track. With the Redeem page open, you'll see a field to enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code you have. Take your time with this step as accuracy is crucial. Entering the wrong code could lead to delays or errors, and we certainly want to avoid that. After you've entered the code, the next thing to do is click on the Redeem button you see on the page. This action is what processes your gift card and adds the balance to your Twitch wallet. You'll know you've done it correctly when you see a confirmation message appear. This confirmation is your assurance that the funds are now in your Twitch wallet. With the balance added, here's what you should know. This gift card balance can be used for a variety of purchases on Twitch. Whether you want to subscribe to your favorite streamer, gift subscriptions to others, buy bits, or even use Twitch Turbo, the choice is yours. This flexibility makes gift cards a versatile option for enhancing your Twitch experience. Keep in mind, though, that once the balance is in your account, it cannot be transferred to another account. This is an important point to remember as it ensures the funds are secure and tied to your account alone. It's all about protecting your balance and ensuring it's used just as you wish. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to pay with a Twitch gift card. Remember, all these steps must be completed via a web browser, not the mobile app. This ensures the process is supported and functions smoothly. If you follow these instructions, you'll find it easy to manage and enjoy your Twitch experience. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.